Jai Hind is now an established national salutation, which is ever connecting, greeting, cherished and served by an Indian to his fellow Indians. And I also greet this distinguished fraternity with Jai Hind. I have a period of limitation prescribed for my vote of thanks, but let me begin this vote of thanks by first registering a solemn gratitude to the Providence, which by our individual religion perspective is known by different names, for providing all of us the purpose, the place and position for being here in this august assembly. William Shakespeare has said that brevity is the soul of wit. Now my brevity for this vote of thanks would be, with permission of Honorable Chief Justice, an Urdu couplet by poet Talib Dehelvi. Theme of our today's assembly is interaction. शिकवे की बात है ना शिकायत की बात है, शिकवे की बात है ना शिकायत की बात है, आपस की गुफ्तगू है, मोहब्बत की बात है. Now, the first right of mention of profound thanks is for the esteemed members of the bar, having come at their own efforts and expense from nearest and farthest 20 districts of UT of J&K and 2 districts of Ladakh. There are more outside than inside in this, despite our rationing by each and every administrative judge that don't breach the number given. Senior advocates designated otherwise deserve our heartiest appreciation and acknowledgement for their weighty presence without charging any fee for their appearance. Constraint of time deters me in making individual mention of each and every distinguished senior advocate by name present, for which I humbly tender my personal apology, meaning utmost respect to each and every one of them. Young advocates, young lights of this profession are also acknowledged for their presence here, and their presence is really bright one, inspiring one. I, on my behalf and on behalf of High Court of Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh, extend profound thanks to the head of the family, Honorable Chief Justice, Mr. Justice B.R. Gavai, and his companion Honorable Judges of the Supreme Court of India for being here for this 2 days function. My profound thanks to the SKICC officials led by its director Ghalib Mohyuddin for providing us one of the best places for holding such like meets. Now, speaking in cricketing terms, I am running against the time, so I am rushing through my vote of thanks. Now, speaking in cricketing terms, because of myself being a cricketer also, man of the match for 2 days function surely goes to Honorable Shri Justice Arun Palli, Honorable Chief Justice of Jammu and Kashmir and High Court Ladakh, for the reason being that myself and my brother and sister judges, he assembled as Amir Khan assembled a cricket team in movie Lagan and pulled off this show to the best of our abilities. Thanks, sir. Thanks, sir. Last but the best vote of thanks goes for the judicial officers and judicial employees of the Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh High Court for their care, company and comfort provided to each and every one of our guests here. And for that, I ask everyone here to applaud for them. They are unannounced. And my special thanks to all our distinguished Chief Justices from the northern region of India, all the distinguished justices from the participating high courts for being here, for sharing our moments with them, and I hope that they would be taking away the best of the 2 days conference. And now I conclude with an Urdu couplet. ज़्यादा ज़्यादा छोड़ जाओ अपनी यादों के नकुश, ज्यादा छोड़ जाओ अपनी यादों के नकूश, आने वाले कारवां के रहनुमा बनकर चलो। थैंक्स सर, जय हिंद।
Thank you.